Good morning, everyone. We are packed this morning and we're getting ready to head back home to Georgia. We still have about at least 30-something plus miles up and down the hills and climb up mountains. But it looks like we are in good spirit this morning, and we should be doing okay. But so far, so good. All right, guys, let's go. Time to move.
What time we start?
9:20.
Okay.
Actually, it's more like 9:22. Damn, the big climb's coming up. Big climb. Woo, that's steep. I don't know how many more we're gonna be doing this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this part is so steep. And we just started to ride, so right now we're just conserving our energy, saving our energy, and just walking our bikes because there are more intense climbing all the way until we get to the car. Because when we're back to Georgia line, it'll still be the same thing.
I'm starting to appreciate this titanium frame.
It absorbs all those rocks and
So-
Almost like a little suspension in the back.
So you just didn't get enough time to use it, like I keep telling Max.
I love it.
To love it. All right, we're resting over here. Waz is getting his cold water on.
Don't cool yourself too much. You're gonna cramp up.
Sounds like a car is coming, or a motorcycle. Oh yeah, it is. Straight up. This is straight up incline right here. We're lost spin the car here. Too late now. Sorry to say, but I'm putting us on the map because this thing here is steep. It is steep. So now we're just pushing our bikes uphill. Dor is the only person that's biking uphill at this point. Let's just watch it. Steep uphill right here. I don't know if they can see it, but loose rocks too. I was biking, my wheel was spinning backward, so I just stopped and walk. But just letting you guys know how steep this is. Video doesn't do justice at all. But this is uphill. Let's see. This guy down here, he's still making his way up. It's so steep.
Don't make it all the way up.
You good?
Good, man.
All right. We're just slowly moving forward. Oh! 嚟到肥，講真差嘢會住耐啊。No, I can hear myself breathing hard. Now I can hear myself breathing really hard, like I was up in DuPont.
I've been breathing hard.
Shot
today.
또 taxi 좀 죄서.
More incline. Man, these inclines are kicking my butt. Yeah, we are refilling water right here, and got our water here. We're gonna filter our drink, and then this is our last stop for water.
Cook a little bit.
Cook a little. Oh, what is that thing? Oh.
What time is it, you know? Santana, what's the time? Yeah. 12? Dang. It's gonna be rough.
I just hold it. Okay. Is it coming? Yeah. Okay. It's a nice view here. We just rested and we're on the way back to Georgia. We have about 20 more miles at least. I'm thinking maybe 25 miles left to get back to Georgia. So yeah, so far so good. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure if it's a campsite or what. Yeah. Oh, Georgia, how I miss you so much. Oh. All right, we did the hard part. We climbed all the way up through sticking mud. That was probably the hardest ever. Now we'll go downhill. And we're already in Georgia, but yeah, those sticky mud, whoo, it's so hard to climb up. It keep pulling your bike backward. What is this, a Jeep?
No, it's a Dodge Ram.
A Dodge Ram?
Yeah, you can see the tire mark?
Yeah.
Hello, Dane.
Damn, look at that. Wazzy.
You see the tree here too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he clipped that one. Yo.
He clipped that one, this tree right here.
Yeah, this one.
Coming down, going up.
They go up, look at that.
Hello.
He was doing too fast. Damn, this guy, it's a Dodge Ram.
That was fast today, though. A couple of the hook?
The winch.
No, but the winch itself is still there. Yeah, the rope and the worm is still there, but the hook's gone.
Oh, Santana, come bring her.
Yeah. They pull out all the wires.
Oh, they took everything out, huh?
Trying to get it out, huh?
The winch is still there, but it's down to the spool already. Oh, the synthetic rope? Yeah.
So this Dodge Ram went off-road. Oh my gosh. 老的都穿了到这脚上的这下里下。I don't know if you guys could see this, but we are climbing. We have been climbing the last couple hours. Pretty steep up. If you guys can see the first guy, that's Dua. And Dua is climbing all the way to the top of the mountain. So we're gonna be doing the same thing. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what we're gonna be doing. We have been climbing and climbing and climbing. What's holding us back was the muddy, sticky dirt. And it's really hard to pedal through those, but we made it this far up. We are almost up there to the top of the mountain, and then from there on it's gonna be up and down back to the car. So we're so thankful that we were able to actually ride this trip together, going from Georgia to Tennessee, camp in Tennessee, and then roll back to Georgia this morning, and here we are. We have about 12, maybe 13 plus or minus miles left. It's all uphill from here. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Let's do this, guys. Last 12, 13 miles. I don't know, but we finally made it to the top, and then now we'll go downhill. I don't know how many miles we got left, 10 or 11 or 12. So we're taking advantage of these downhill. I know, right? Then incline again. Yeah, we're super high, we're way up here, top of the mountain, or side of the mountain. Woo. Doing that row 4 miles straight up back to the car, and it was probably the most intense ride ever for me. In the dark, uphill, a little bit of downhill. Man, talking about mental and physical strength being tested to its limit. I was emotionally and physically drained, but I had to get it done, and so we both were. But eventually we finally made it back to the cars and working our way back to pick up the guys. But yeah, it was very, very hard. So we, Dora and I came back to pick up these guys. They actually stopped here and waited for us to come back. So we rode all the way back to the car. Came back. Wazzy's kill beat. Wazzy's kill beat. He made it. But now he's puking. He's thrown up. But he's kill beat.
Don't look at it.
Oh, can't see.
Hopefully, door doesn't
But
too easy.
Dora and I went all the way back to the car and we did it. But it was rough and tough, man. I thought I was gonna give in for a moment there. But yep, it's time to celebrate. Oh, we clock at 70 miles. Energy drinks.